my chicken, so the next thing I'm going to do is to pat my chicken dry to get rid of any moisture. Now that the chicken is dry, I'm going to season this. This is a mixture of salt, chicken seasoning, Italian seasoning, curry powder, and garlic powder. So I'm just going to sprinkle this all over my chicken. And I'm going to season the other side too. Because of cross-contamination, if you are working with chicken and you are going to dip your hand or your spoon that you've used to touch the chicken into your spice mix, make sure you finish it or you discard the rest. Don't use it to season something else because of cross-contamination. So I finished mine. I'm just going to use this to rub all the chicken. So now my chicken is well seasoned. I'm just going to set this aside. So now I'm going to pour some oil in my pan. And then I'll start placing my chicken in the pan, skin side down. We're not trying to cook the chicken through, we're just trying to get it brown. So I'm going to leave this for about 3 minutes on each side. So it's been about 5 minutes. I'm going to flip my chicken now. And then I'm going to let it cook on this side too for about 5 minutes just to get some color on the other side too. This one got a little too brown. Yeah, it's going to be fine. Now I'm going to add in some onions and chopped habanero peppers. So I'm just going to fry this until it's translucent. Now that my onions are fragrant, I'm going to add in some garlic. Now I've added my potatoes, so I'm just going to mix it all up. Alright, so now that my potatoes are mixed, I'm just going to add some salt and a little bit of coconut milk. I'll mix this all up. And then I'm going to taste for seasoning. The seasoning is good, so I'm going to wait for this to come to a boil. Once the liquid comes to a boil, I'm going to put my chicken back in so that it can cook completely. And then I'll go put this in the oven at 375F for 30 minutes. Alright, so it's been 30 minutes. This is how it looks. So it's time to serve this up. And this is how it looks. I sprinkled some basil on top. And I'm just going to cut into this for you so you can see the chicken is cooked through. Look at it. And it's very juicy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And also subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notifications so you'll be the first to know when I post a new video, which is every Saturday by 5 p.m. West African time or 12 p.m. Eastern time. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.